The U-6.5 come packaged in a brown cardboard box with molded styrofoam for inner support. Both the lid and the inner cavity supports the shape of the subwoofer. The subwoofer is also wrapped in plastic to protect it from the elements during shipping. This is always great to see because rain, snow, sleet, or sunny, UPS and all the other carriers are running. The Sundown Audio U-6.5 is a 400 watt RMS 6.5 inch subwoofer. It was designed to work well within small ported enclosures, and it has a recommended port tuning of 35 to 40 Hertz. And this is at a 1/4 cubic foot of internal volume. The U-6.5 has an innovative surround called the megaw surround. It is designed to increase the compliance of the subwoofer and promote a more linear performance during playtime. The megaw was first introduced by Sundown Audio as a prototype for larger subwoofers, but has now made its way into production with the U-6.5. This subwoofer has spring-loaded, color-coded push terminals that accept up to 8 gauge wires with tinsel leads that are flat woven and glued and stitched into the spider assembly. It has a black aluminum 1 3/4 inch voice coil former for improved heat dissipation and a round wire copper voice coil. The engineers at Sundown Audio seem to have chosen to implement the same style of venting found on the SA 8-inch subwoofers into the U-6.5, which lacks a dedicated pole vent and instead have multiple smaller vents drilled to support the voice coil gap. I was really impressed with the basket of the U-6.5. Most 6-inch subwoofers are so compact you have to struggle to see the voice coil, but with the U-6.5 you are provided plenty of visibility through its open basket design. Speaking of design, let's focus for a moment on the megaw surround. Let's pay closer attention to the middle row of the U-6.5 surround. As the cone travels upward, reaching the limit of its mechanical travel, look at how the middle row flattens out and tightens the suspension. This is the exact same thing that happened as the cone travels downward and reaches the limits of its mechanical travel there. This is how the megaw keeps compliance in check, and this is how it keeps things linear. Okay, so right now we have everything reset. The application is on 49 Hertz. We're gonna play this test tone and we're gonna max it out and monitor what SPL score we have. That was 1,697 watts at 6.3 ohms of resistance. In the kick, we got a 141.3 from the Sundown Audio U-Series 6.5 inch subwoofers. Next up, we're gonna be the music test. All right, so this is gonna be the music test. If you guys are interested in the track, that comes from Epidemic Sounds. Put her in a mansion. I'm happy to announce that I've just launched my Patreon. Follow the link in the description of this video to my Patreon's homepage. I have 3 tiers here to choose from. The tweeters tier is $10 a month, the mid-woofer tier is $20 a month, and the subwoofer tier is $30 a month. And yes, the subwoofer tier contains giveaways. All my members of my Patreon page get access to all these posts that I create every week. Just click upon one. So if you click this, you will see that this is exactly what it looks like. You can scroll here, you can like it, you can comment, and you can actually share this. If you guys will go here to the shop tab, you will see that there are currently 6 existing box designs up here. These box designs range from the size of 6.5-inch subwoofer, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12, 15, and 18-inch subwoofer. If you are part of the tweeter tier, you automatically get 3 of the free basic box designs for free. The 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch basic box design. I will later on be adding more complex and advanced designs such as bandpass enclosures and horn enclosures. If you are part of the mid-woofer tier, you actually get all 6 of the free basic box designs. Over here in the subwoofer tier, you get automatically entered into a basshead monthly giveaway. You earn voting rights on selecting which items get given away. You also get everything that came along with the mid-woofer tier. Hope you guys find value in this, and once again, thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for visiting the channel to help you simplify car audio. It's the Budget Basshead, and I'm out.